welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support, and if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, it was my first time I saw social media siding with Jack Mabaso. We are talking about Generation The Legacy. Jack has been struggling with his identity, but lucky enough he managed to search and find his biological mother, who was very critical, mental and unstable that time. Jack decided to hire a nurse to take care of her, very close to him, so that he can find answers about his background and his father. Jack was very concerned about finding his surname, but Xolile seemed to be very confused. But after she was dragged, she told Jack the truth, that his father was Samson Gumede, and no further information afterwards. Fans took the situation very personal, feeling for Jack that all he ever wanted was to find his mother, but now Xolile does not look like she regrets her mistake of abandoning her firstborn child. Xolile is very angry at Jack, even calling him an evil man, forgetting she's the reason for his behavior. Yes, Jack and Xolile are acting, but most South Africans can relate to this storyline. Like mother, like son. In today's episode, Xolile will try to kill Jack. Please check what other people are saying about the old lady. The first one said, "This is too much coming from a mother. Jack is a bad person, yes, but he does not deserve this. This woman aren't involved in any mental whatsoever. She's pretending. She even know how to eardrop on people's conversation and sneak to their laptop." Dineo Mashego said, "This goes to show that what parent does to their children has a long devastating effect on the poor innocent soul. All Jack ever wanted was a loving mother. He has all money in the world but has no peace and happiness. Let's note and not judge one another." The other one said, "That's the one thing I hate about searching for someone who abandoned you before. They will always find excuses and ways to hate you even more than they did before. If she abandoned you in the past and you managed to survive and make something out of your life, then what's the need to bring them back to your life?" Then the other one said, "I think now we can see where Jack got his evil character from. Yes, it's painful that she was raped by her own father, but that does not mean Jack should suffer because of his grandfather's sins. If she doesn't want Jack, she could have left him in the hospital or church instead of leaving him in the world. She is also heartless as Jack. The only thing she owes him is the truth. Ngoba it seems as if she doesn't have or she doesn't want any relationship with him." Some people, guys, believes that Xolile was raped by her father. That's why he calls Jack Baba. You are welcome to share your opinion on the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.